From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I was informed this evening that the Maharashtra Assembly has decided to move a case against me. They are moving a breach of privilege motion against me, so I wanted to talk to you about it. I'm examining all my options, but I'm told that I have two options now. Option one is that I apologize to the Assembly. Option two is that they send me to jail. Uddhav Thackeray, it is apparent to me and it is apparent to all of us that you are the great architect of this great move. So I wanted to speak to you tonight. I will not apologize. So Uddhav Thackeray, you can send me to jail. If that gives you some satisfaction, then Uddhav Thackeray, I'm telling you tonight, and may all your minions watching this program pass on my message to you. I will not apologize. Even if I reply to this notice in a written form, I will not apologize at all. That's out of the question. So you might as well send me to jail. And as far as I'm concerned, since I've done no wrong, I will fight this crude and obvious attempt by you, Uddhav Thackeray, to challenge my fundamental right of liberty. You may be the Chief Minister, you have no right to question my freedom as a journalist and my undilutable right to report in the courts of public opinion and in the courts of this country. I was born free, Uddhav Thackeray. I was born free and I will remain free even if you try the jail route. You are destined to fail, Mr. Chief Minister. You are destined to fail. You jailed my reporter and I will reveal. I will reveal today on live television that members of the anti-terrorist squad were made to interrogate my reporter Anuj in lockup. Members of the anti-terrorist squad, so you dared to treat a reporter who you got into your illegal custody like a terrorist. And this insanity motivates me even more. It motivates me more to fight you, Uddhav Thackeray, not you personally. But I'm motivated to fight the abuse of power that you have come to represent in this country. And I will fight you if required in court. And if I lose in court, then I will write to your assembly. And if you call me, I will appear before your assembly. But even then, Uddhav Thackeray, I'm telling you this. So save yourself the trouble. I will not apologize. You think it's so easy to send me a 60-page letter? You want to prove a point? You want me to put my head down? I will not. I will stare you back in the eye. Because it is my duty, Uddhav Thackeray, to question incompetence, prejudice and injustice among all people, especially among elected authorities. And Uddhav Thackeray or Sharad Pawar or Antonia Maino or anyone else cannot, and they've been trying all this year to snatch away that right from me. And everyone knows the reasons. Viewers, I'm sharing with you the reasons tonight. The fight for justice for SSR and the fight for justice for the sadhus killed in Palghar are the reasons they are battling us so hard. But this is not my fight alone. These are the two clear reasons why Uddhav is fighting Republic. And you can do what you want, Uddhav. And I am referring to you in first person, Uddhav. Don't think that either I or the people of India don't know what you are doing, but I will say it anyway. I will keep revealing. The more you try your dirty tricks, the more I will reveal. I will reveal that Anil Deshmukh wants cases which you filed against me falsely, which I fought back, which were closed. I will reveal that you are trying to get them opened up. If you have doubts, why don't you ask Mr. Anil Parab? what he's been up to. Isn't he your minister? As for the Home Minister, Mr. Deshmukh, you are welcome. The Shiv Sena has letters, I have them with my office drawer. Threats, physical threats, saying immediately stop the distribution of Republic or we will come and thrash you, beat you. Was anyone's privilege broken there? Was anyone's privilege violated there, Uddhav Thackeray? You are destined to fail. You will not succeed. My reporters were arrested. Members of the anti-terrorist squad questioned them. As of today, I will also say you snatched away my reporter's phone. You took my reporter's phone. My reporter came out. You took away his phone. What right do you have to do that? You did all that, and yet Anuj came out smiling and more confident. So I'm saying to you, Uddhav Thackeray, you are destined to fail. These are your symptoms of the panic that is inside you. And I'm saying with resolute confidence tonight, Mr. Thackeray, I have not breached your privilege. But you must start asking yourself today why people are saying across India that you have breached the privilege, that you have breached the faith that you have ought to have had in the constitution you were sworn by. So Uddhav Thackeray, all this 60-page notices and all, water of a duck's back. I will fight you because you've come to represent injustice, arrogance, crude abuse of power, illegality, brutal attempt at violating the constitution. That is what you have come to represent, and that is what your term will be remembered for. Uddhav Thackeray, deal with it. Viewers, I thank you for your support in this matter. I feel blessed to have it. Now let's get back to the debate. I have two big debates for you tonight. Debate number one is on the fresh leads and new evidence in the SSR homicide case. Remember, viewers, this is the fundamental reason why all this breach of privilege and all is being thrown at us. We will continue our reporting, viewers. And debate number two coming up at 10 o'clock tonight. At 10 o'clock tonight, Free Gilgit-Baltistan. This is a large movement. Pakistan is trying to appropriate land that was never theirs. We have a Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan, Balochistan and India debate coming up at 10 o'clock. And here are the headlines this Thursday evening on the debate tonight. The Maharashtra Assembly threatens with a breach of privilege motion against me for questioning Uddhav Thackeray on the SSR case. We're going to fight them back. The Republic Network will fight back. We will not stop questioning. We will not succumb to this blatant misuse of power.
The other doubts which the family already had with regard to, the height of Sushant Singh Rajput, and if you would hang from that fan, whether that kind of a mark will come on his neck or not.
The family suspects Sushant was murdered, and there is now a mountain of circumstantial proof which is pointing out at a possible case of double homicide. With new leads and fresh evidence, we will show you 15 reasons tonight why the focus is on the homicide probe. As India stares back at China, a desperate Pakistan attempts an illegitimate illegal move in Gilgit-Baltistan. And Harsimrat Kaur Badal resigns from the Modi cabinet over a fight over a new agriculture bill, but the Akali Dal will remain part of the NDA. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight the network that broke open the Disha Salian and Sushant Singh Rajput death case is coming back to you with new leads and with hard evidence, and here is why. The homicide angle cannot be ignored anymore. Ladies and gentlemen, as of now, I want to say this to you before we put out the news report on this, that we have a lot of reporters on the ground. Some of those who are reporting on the ground come on television and you will see them on air. But I also want to share with you that we have a lot of reporters who are on the ground, who are following leads. We are not even revealing their identities of those who are part of our special investigation team tonight. So this is one of the most detailed investigations. This is a public investigation. We have dozens of crew on the ground. And the truth, ladies and gentlemen, we are determined to bring it out. Now let's get ready for the debate.
June 9th, around 1:30 am, Sushant Singh Rajput's manager Disha Salian was found dead after falling off this building in Mumbai's Malad area. 5 days later, Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead at his residence under mysterious circumstances. The link between the two deaths cannot be overlooked. And Sushant's family too believes that this could be a cold-blooded murder.
With the other doubts which the family already had with regard to the height of Sushant Singh Rajput and his being able to hang from that fan, and whether if you would hang from that fan, whether that kind of a mark will come on his neck or not.
In the last 95 days, the evidence has been glaring and there are testimonies that cannot be ignored. Whether it is about an alleged link between the June 8th and June 13th events,
कुछ तो 8 तारीख के पार्टी पे कोई ना कोई इम्पोर्टेंट उधर प्रेजेंट था, जो 13 तारीख के भी पार्टी में प्रेजेंट था, उसका एविडेंस छुपाने के लिए, उसका नाम छुपाने के लिए ये सारी भागदौड़ हो रही है.
The admission by Siddharth Pithani, who was present at Sushant's house.
क्या हार्ड ड्राइव से डेटा डिलीट?
नो कमेंट्स.
क्या लोग आए थे? क्या आपने बताया है कि जो है हार्ड ड्राइव से डेटा डिलीट किया गया?
मैंने जो भी क्वेश्चंस उन्होंने पूछा ना, मैंने उनको सही सही जवाब दे दिया है.
आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब तो दीजिए.
मैं
क्या 13 तारीख को लोग आए?
वो भी हमारे घर पे आए थे ना, मैंने उनके बता दिया.
The June 14th WhatsApp clincher that exposes inconsistencies in versions of the flatmates. Testimonies of those who spoke to Sushant between June 8th to June 13th.
The phone call and his statements. So I have no reason not to believe that it wasn't a suicide. No, it was definitely. All of this is a well-planned murder.
Mysterious calls between Sushant and his talent manager Uday Singh Gauri, who was also Disha's colleague.
सर मुझे बात नहीं.
नहीं, मैं समझ गया आप बात नहीं करना चाहते हैं, मैं समझ गया, लेकिन आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो कि
क्या बात है? I don't want to talk, so please let me be.
And the version of a crucial eyewitness.
किस चीज के निशान थे यहाँ?
सुइयों के, बट जैसे एक मोटी सुई रहती है, इतनी मोटी रहती है, वो पतली रहती है, वो छुपाओगे तो निशान आएंगे, बरोबर वो निशान होते हैं. और यहाँ पे कुछ टेप चिपका था. पोस्टमार्टम के बाद मैंने जब उसको टेप निकाला था, देखा था, जब उसको कुछ तेल वेल से हिला रहे थे, जब भी मैंने देखा.
The evidence is mounting. The homicide investigation is the focus now. Let's debate.
My first point tonight is, and welcome everyone, Dinesh Rao, Dr. Dinesh Rao, Shilpi Jain, Mohammad Tausif Rahman, Vikas Gupta, and Raj Kamal, and Pradeep Bhandari, Anuja Kapoor, Neelam Katara, Savio Rodriguez, and my first question is to Gaurav Bhatia. You see, Gaurav, we are putting out new leads. We have exposed fresh evidence. We have revealed inconsistencies in the narrative. We have put out testimonies, and you're a lawyer as well, senior advocate in the Supreme Court, that raise reasonable doubt on the basis of strong evidence that Sushant and Disha were murdered. And we put out non-stop reporting for 61 days, and now a 60-page notice is our reward, claiming that we have breached the privilege of the assembly. That I will fight, but nothing will stop our coverage. But let's go into some first questions. If this is not homicide, then explain the loose ends. Do those contemplating suicide make midnight, half an hour long London video calls? You see, Disha Salian made a half an hour video conference with a friend in London minutes before she was killed. And I repeat, minutes before she was killed. She wanted, therefore, to speak on something very urgent about what happened at the party where allegedly, there is a lot of people, and there is one politician, 2 actors, 1 bhai wala builder, and 1 actress's younger brother. Now this video call is absolutely certain. The lady is a Mumbai girl, friend of Disha's, works in London for the last 4 years. This is extremely suspicious behavior. So this is one of those things which doesn't add up. But none of the loose ends add up. Yes, Gaurav wants to start. Who goes on the other side? Please.
Yeah.
Who'd like to go on the other side?
I'll reply.
Let's Gaurav and Vikas open. Gaurav opens, then Vikas come in. Let's go. Okay.
So Arnab, just a line first of all on the privilege notice, breach of privilege notice that you received. And I heard you saying that if I lose in the court, let me tell you from my experience that you will not lose in the court, because something similar happened when the UP Assembly had also issued a summon to another channel, and it was stayed by the Honorable Supreme Court. I was also appearing in that matter. So from my experience, I can tell you, you are the voice of the people of this country, and definitely the Honorable Supreme Court will come to your rescue, or the High Court will come to your rescue. But my main concern today is, 65 days the Mumbai police cannot even register an elementary FIR. And I was on your program on the Hindu News channel, and an alarming fact was brought to the fore. And what was that? It was that a 100-number call was made by Disha Salyan.
Yeah.
Now, daughter of our country was trying to make a call to the Mumbai police. The Mumbai police did not come to her rescue. That troubles me as a citizen. It can happen to anyone's daughter. It can happen to anyone's wife. And there the Mumbai police failed miserably. Second, in the interview, Nitesh Rane had also pointed out something wrong happened to Disha Salyan. So it makes it very clear that this is not an accidental death, that she fell off the balcony. Rather, she was pushed and eliminated. Most importantly, Disha Salyan case then is linked to Sushant Singh Rajput's case. And I must commend you. The entire country today feels that your Republic team, Arnab Goswami at the head, is far more competent than the Mumbai police that is being pressurized by many influential people like Baby Penguin, Papa Penguin. And I would just like to say in the end, what is the state of the government? Let me say that. Baby Penguin comes to Papa Penguin, and the Baby Penguin says to Papa Penguin, it's raining outside. Papa Penguin, being more experienced, says, no, bache, it is not raining. The people of Maharashtra are spitting on us, and they are spitting because of the incompetence shown by the Maharashtra government
strong beginning
and the Mumbai
arguments.
police.
Yeah. Gaurav has
hard-hitting, I know.
Arnab, may I reply?
No, you may reply,
Arnab,
but you may reply, but I want to bring your kind attention to some very important points. We also have got the Pauna farmhouse caretaker, and he talks about how Sushant was furious about Ria's expenses. One. Secondly, we have got 4 witnesses on record who say that before she died, Disha called Sushant. We have got 2 witnesses on record who say that Sushant further told someone. We've got 1 more witness on record who has said that one person who Sushant informed about what happened to Disha was none other than Ria Chakrabarti. And we've got another individual on record who says we've got a whole testimony of this from Rohan Rai. We've got a further testimony on record today that Sushant wanted to enhance security the moment Disha left this world. That the moment Disha died, he felt he could be killed and murdered, and he wanted his security enhanced because he said they may kill me like this as well. And Siddharth Pitani, who has also by now confessed Pradeep. Pradeep is on the debate right now. Siddharth Pitani, who has confessed, and Pradeep will debate with Mohammad Tausif. Let me complete this, however. Siddharth Pitani has now said to the CBI that Sushant feared for his life. After Disha died, further corroborated by someone who said, I had a 22-minute phone conversation with Sushant, and Sushant told me that they wanted to kill him, that the same people who killed Disha wanted to kill him. We have 2 further testimonies on this. So all the evidence that is now coming out is coming out in a very factual and detailed manner. Okay, so This is now, the homicide angle is absolutely exploding, plus the fact the ligature mark is not V-shaped. The ligature mark is O-shaped. It can never happen that the person with the O-shaped ligature mark has been strangulated by another person, not hung. It is impossible. There is something called gravity. Gravity pulls you down, and hence you have the back of your neck lifting the noose, and the ligature mark has to be V-shaped. So we have told you earlier about 2 bodies on the stretcher. We've told you about the 7 feet long body. I'm going to come out with more revelations in the next few days. And do innocent people walk out with devices of the man who dies within the next 5 days? His laptop was taken away, hardware taken away, camera taken away, passwords taken away. Why? She wanted to hide something. And we all know that in suicide cases, circumstantial evidence of such strong nature become extremely critical. And one more thing I'll tell you, viewers, people who are committing suicide do not dial 100. And does a person looking to commit suicide dial 100 and call the police before jumping out of the window? Or does the claim of Nitesh Rane that Disha Salian called the cops indicate that someone was out to get her? Someone was out to get her because she refused to remain quiet about whatever happened to her. And does the fiancé, and let me complete, does the fiancé of a lady who committed suicide go into hiding? If there was nothing criminal, apply your common sense, ladies and gentlemen. And one last thing, viewers, this is a case of clear and absolute homicide. Does the fiancé of a woman who has committed suicide not rush to the body for 25 minutes? He takes his own sweet time. By this time, the body goes out. He does not even come down. And I want to say one last thing, and after this I will stop. Viewers, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. It is exactly because we are now on that point where we are about to open up this case that all this breach of privilege, reopen cases against Republic, jail his reporter, get the anti-terrorist squad to interrogate the reporter, snatch away the phones. Why do you want to snatch the phones? Because you want to know how Anuj landed at the Chief Minister's farmhouse. Well, Anuj landed at the Chief Minister's farmhouse following a suspect. You want me to be more detailed about it? Following a suspect. You panicked.
Can I answer?
He was chased in filmy Bollywood style up to Chembur.
Come in and then you can make your point.
Yeah.
Tausif.
Okay, debate.
I'll make a point for a minute and then you can counter.
I have some questions.
Arnab, at the outset, let me tell you.
No, because
Tausif, 1 minute of point and then you can make your point. Tausif, I'll give you the floor. No, wait a second, let me make my opening argument, then you can ask. Arnab, at the outset, let me tell you, the arrogance of a chief minister or any politician cannot stop you from reporting the truth. And the people of this country know that nothing is above the constitution and you will win this battle, we will win this battle of truth. Arnab, I am right now at Rohan Rai's residence where Disha Salian passed away. Now, let me tell you, Arnab, that on 8th of June, as you clearly pointed out, that on 8th of June, Disha Salian's body was found dead here, right here, the place where I am standing. Now, it's not possible for Rohan Rai to come down from the 13th floor after 25 minutes. So, does it mean that there were more people in the flat that prevented Rohan Rai from coming down from the 13th floor to the ground floor, which just takes 3 minutes? Number 2, Arnab, Disha Salian called her friend in London after calling the police, after not getting any response from the police, which means that Disha Salian was fearing that after the party she left, there might be conspirators who can go after her life. And Sushant Singh Rajput also on the same day after Disha passed away started to feel that the same conspirators can take away his life, which points that the conspirators who killed Sushant and also behind Disha's death are same. And this is why they are going after Republic. This is why they are going after you, because this case is at the tipping point.
This case is at the tipping point, that I completely agree. I think Pradeep once Mohammad Tausif will respond. Mr. Tausif Rahman, before you come in and I'm giving you the floor, I am very confident on this matter, but before I give you the floor, one word. You can speak, and then after you speak, I'll get Savio in. I'm opening this up. Anuja is also on the debate. Yeah.
100 PCR number was called, but
Raj.
So Arnab, because Pradeep is
But
there
if
on
you-
the
if you
floor,
look at
I
it-
really
if you
want to
look-
ask
Pradeep is on the ground.
Where was another media like you people
Yes.
on the ground?
India
I understand,
today,
but
India
why
today,
there
Arnab,
was
India
no
today
fuss
reported contrary
and there
to
was
what
no
you reported.
inquiry when
According to
Disha
India
died?
today, there was no
You know,
control
Disha
over
case is coming up after Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Why?
Savio.
Because Disha was not so important as Sushant Singh Rajput.
No, that's
And
not
why
the case.
And why Disha was
No,
not
that's
from
not the
Bihar?
case. You want an answer?
No, that's the truth. That's
You
the
want
truth.
an answer
Now,
from me or
Sushant
from
Singh
Savio?
Rajput is from Bihar.
No, one
and
sec,
the
one
Bihar
sec. Okay.
election is coming up. Now the
understood.
whole focus in Maharashtra government.
Okay, so understood.
The problem is that
Understood.
no one is bothered
Understood.
about Sushant Singh Rajput.
Understood.
The problem is
1 minute.
people are bothered about the Bihar election.
No,
And
1 second. You are
Maharashtra
linking
government is
Disha
not
to the
BJP.
Bihar elections. Are you out of your mind
Maharashtra government is
completely?
run by Uddhav
1 second, please. I'd like Savio to respond to you. Mohammed. Tausif, now come on, man. Come on. What are you doing, man?
Thakre is grilled because they are merged with Congress.
I'm not going to venture
I'm
to
just
respond
asking
to
you.
ridiculous
Why, you want to
comments.
take away my freedom?
The simple
Nobody's taking away your
point
freedom.
is
You don't want me to
Disha
speak. You
was
don't want me to
killed.
speak.
Disha
No, there are a lot
killed.
of questions. This is
Disha
the same
was
homicide and
killed.
suicide
Disha
like Jia.
was killed.
Disha was killed, then
And
why
because
Disha was
was
not there on the
killed,
list? Why
and
Disha
Sushant
integration never
was
happened?
aware
Why
of the
Disha integration is
reasons
starting after
for her
95
death,
days?
And why she
Savio,
was killed?
please be reasonable.
He was
Please be
afraid.
reasonable. Don't do
He
politics
was
on the soul.
very afraid. He was
Please don't do
extremely
politics
afraid.
with the soul.
He in
Have
fact
to understand.
fainted when
Leave
he
Bihar
realized
behind
that Disha
and
was
think
killed.
about the poor soul,
So can
about Sushant Singh
The
Rajput,
people
Savio.
of India know
You
the
can
truth.
load down my voice. That's not an issue.
Nobody's
is the
lowering your voice at all.
politician?
See,
Who
you have
Your
to
fader
count
is
about
absolutely
Disha.
up.
Two Bollywood actors.
You have to count about Disha.
Who
Why
is
Disha
the
was
producer
found.
builder?
Disha was
Who
murdered.
is the brother
Sushant
of a
Singh was
Bollywood
murdered.
actress?
It is all-
Behind
it
the
is
death
all on
of
media
Disha
trial.
And
There
behind
are a lot
the
of
death
innocent
of
souls
Sushant
is
Singh
latching behind this
Rajput.
suicide case.
Who
Don't
is
start your
behind it?
media trial. You are not the Supreme Court,
It can
sir.
only
You
be
have left behind
a
many cases.
powerful
There are 3
buy
mob lynching in
of
India last
Bollywood.
week. You are not
It
talking.
can
You are still
only
with
be
Palghar.
a powerful
You are still with Palghar.
buy
You are
of
still with
Bollywood.
Bollywood. You are
And
not
that
with the
powerful
GDP.
buy of
Sushant,
Bollywood
poor soul,
has
is just
the power
going here
of the
and there and there is
government.
no justice.
So you have the Bollywood
Savio, please,
and you
please,
have the
please,
government
please be reasonable.
involved in it.
No,
And you want to
okay,
stop
so...
India
Don't run behind
from
Uddhav
No,
Thackeray. Run behind CBI.
one second. If there is, I'd like Neelam Krishnamurthy to come into the debate with Shilpi also, please. Please be reasonable, gentlemen. And by the way, you don't have to panic about it because if, you know, listen, we put so much evidence out there in the public domain. Neelam Krishnamurthy. Mohammed Tausif Rahman, can you just, Mr. Rahman, do you believe in democracy? Do you believe in a democratic debate? Do you want to shout down everyone? There are 5 people in the debate who have not spoken, and then people ask me, why doesn't everybody get a chance to speak on your debate? I say because of people like Mohammed Tausif Rahman. Now here, Neelam Krishnamurthy is on the debate with Shilpi. My question is also one on basics, and when you do criminal investigations, and I've done quite a few, Neelam, psychology of the person is a big matter, behavior of the individual. Does the fiancé of a lady, Shilpi, be logical on it, and you're in a debate with Neelam Krishnamurthy. Does the fiancé of a lady who has a live-in relationship with her, if she has committed suicide, then does he just get up, run away from the city like he's got to save his life, leave his profession, leave the state, go into another jurisdiction, and go missing? And before he goes missing, he calls up, when a local politician called Nitesh Rane calls him, he tells him the whole story. He said Disha called 100. He said there was entry of people into the house. He indicates she was flung out, she was murdered. He indicates something wrong happened to her at the party she was present with. There were 2 actors and a politician. And he also says that I am under threat. When the local politician tells him that, why don't you go and speak, I'll give you protection, he says, no, these are very powerful people. They will get me. I am under threat. I cannot talk about Disha. I cannot fight these people. I am going away. A proof of the fact is he then goes away. Do we know, Shilpi, where is Rohan Rai today? How can a person just disappear? How can a person such just disappear? And why would the person disappear? If the person has left for time to heal or contemplate or spend time with oneself or grieve. Even that would be for a period of time, and the person would not become incommunicado, uncontactable. The only thing which appears is a grill in the window of the building from where apparently she was thrown out. She falls at an 18-degree angle. Nobody can jump out. Even an Olympian cannot jump at an 18-degree angle. You have to have a lot of people pushing you out. And not just that, Shilpi, I one last piece of evidence. Deep Ajmera, nowhere to be contacted. 1 minute, there are people who are in the party. You cannot contact anyone who is at the party. All of those people have told everyone in their buildings and societies, we're not meeting anyone. So there is a terror raj. There is a sense of terror among anyone who attended Disha's party. Now tell me, Shilpi and Neelam will debate, if she committed suicide, why is there terror? If I am at a party and someone commits suicide, all 15, 20 people, everybody who was at the party disappears. The fiancé disappears completely.
Yeah, he says, why after 92 days? After 92 days, because the parents were so scared that they did not even lodge a complaint. In fact, they've been saying that please don't speak about this. That is again unnatural. I mean, there was no complaint when that poor girl died, and the police, of course, shut it up as a suicide case. And that grill has appeared just in Rohan's window, not
Rohan's
in all
window.
the windows.
Yeah.
Because Rohan is scared that it must be absolutely traumatic. He must be seeing hallucinations that he will also be thrown out. So it's very clear that grill says it all. Why should there be a grill in that one window? Who has put it up? So there is no question of it not being a suicide. Now the point is that where has Rohan gone and how long is he going to hide? And what made him talk about it to Mr. Rane? That is something which is
No,
not
he did
clear.
not make it.
And
No. Mr. Rane, let me clear. Mr. Rane got to know informally from the sources. As a secondary corroboration, Mr. Rane went through the process then of calling Rohan to verify. Rohan verified, said he was not in Mumbai, he was going away, then became incommunicado. In the meantime, Mr. Rane, frustrated, now says that either Rohan comes out or I will go to the CBI. Which means he is willing to give a statement before a magistrate which can be taken on record, which if false can implicate him, which tells you that Nitesh has nothing to hide.
The party as well, sir, maybe.
No, but he's putting a statement on record. He's getting no protection for that. Shilpi and Anuja.
Yeah, let me just
Shilpi and then Anuja.
Last point. You said Mr. Rane was told by X that X was told
Not X, by Rohan Rai.
By Rohan Rai, he was told, and Rohan Rai was told by somebody else.
No, Rohan Rai was not told by somebody else. Rohan Rai is the primary source. Rohan Rai was at the event. Rohan Rai is the witness. Rohan Rai is corroborating. According to Nitesh that she was murdered, Rohan Rai is a live witness. Rohan Rai is not a secondary source.
last seen.
He is
the most important witness.
He is
the witness who's seen her alive
He is not before the police. Allow me to complete, Miss Neelam, and then you can come in. Allow me to
Neelam Katara, yeah.
start, in fact. Rohan Rai is not before us. Whatever you are stating...
Why is he not before us? When a lot of the material is coming, why is he not before us? Why is Rashmi Desai not before us? Rashmi Desai is extremely cagey on her contact with Disha ahead of her death. She denies being at the party attended, and then she makes contradictory claims about not having been in touch for 7 months but having spoke on 7 June. It's not adding up.
Arnav, there may
Shilpi,
be hundreds of people at the party. If they choose not to speak, it
choose
doesn't
not
make
to
all of
speak.
them
Why are they
murderers.
choosing not to speak?
That does not mean they are...
No, but don't take a very technical view. Take a realistic view. Why are they choosing not to speak?
Discussing law. I'm here as a
I'm not saying right or wrong. Anuja,
conjectures and surmises.
I am not conjecturing anything, Anuja.
Absolutely.
I'm not conjecturing, Anuja.
What you do is you join two totally unconnected...
No, I'm not. Nothing is unconnected. There were a lot of cars present at the time of Disha's death. If it was a 5 or 6 person party. The body, according to a person on a sting camera, says the body was already taken by members before the police came in and they vanished from there. Now tell me one thing, why did they vanish? They fled. It was almost, see, let's look at it, viewers. Anuja, before you come in and respond, we have got 3 primary sources on sting cameras who are saying the people who were at the party fled. The body was taken away by the friends. Why would you flee? Anuja, why would anyone flee? Look at the kind of evidence that's coming in. And bodies are not tilted in suicidal hangings. They fall at an angle. Do bodies fall at an angle when someone jumps to death? Disha's building guard says she fell outwards.
First of all,
She fell
I would like
outwards.
to-
Anuja. Let Anuja come in.
Arnav, first I would like to congratulate you again for bringing your show on #1 position. Congratulations. Secondly, we are, as a Sushant fans, we all are standing with you. Even if you are in the court, wherever you go, we all will go as your bodyguard, as one voice,
thank you.
as one strength.
Thank
You are a powerful person and we are so much saluting you. Now we come to the evidence point. You have already seen there are many contradictions which have been happening. And these contradictions which are coming up again and again, and the testimonies which keep on wearing from 8th of June till 14th of June and now onwards. Now what we are looking into is Rohan Roy should have been there in front of everyone and talking about it in our normal circumstances, where a person is not been coerced by XYZ, by the police, and because he knows he has seen two main people, two great friends of his have died in front of him. How do you see a third person, even if it's me, I will save myself from all those influential people who are the power, who are running that Maharashtra, who are the government. How can you believe a common man, Rohan Roy is a common man? In the same way, I am telling you, Disha's parents,
why don't we let the investigating agencies do what they are best at doing?
That you opened up the case, which was again done as a suicide,
I am amazed
and
at the
only because of
contradiction that
you
you're
are now.
pointing out.
You opened the case, and I salute you again for Disha. And now what I see is that Nitesh Rane cannot give it to CBI for now because it will become a hearsay. If Rohan's dies, then only his can come as a dying declaration. But now he can have to. That's why he's keeping on asking Rohan Roy. That is the prime suspect. That he should come in forward and he should.
Rohan Roy is the primary suspect. There's no doubt on that. There is no doubt on that. He's the primary.
Rohan Roy to die to make this as
No. What she meant was that Rohan Roy needs security, and I think that's a very critical matter. He needs security now. Shilpi and Gaurav Bhatia. Shilpi, Gaurav.
Let Rohan Roy speak for himself.
Shilpi and Gaurav. Now listen to me. A primary witness cannot go missing. Shilpi, be reasonable. A primary witness cannot go missing. A primary witness cannot go missing. Gaurav.
Indulge in hair splitting. Shilpi ji, please hear me out. I have something to ask, and I'm sure you will extend the courtesy to me to hear me out and then respond. Shilpi ji, ये hair splitting नहीं करते हैं. ये टेक्निकल बातें मुझे समझ में नहीं आती हैं. No if, no but, only jat की बुद्धि. Arnab, why can't the Mumbai police come out and only make a statement? There was no 100 call made by Disha Salia. Simple, matter close. QED खत्म हो गया. Disha Salian के केस में why can't the Mumbai police come out to say there was no 100 call? Simple. My second point. Do you remember when the Bihar police?
Question.
Yeah. एक मिनट, Arnab, very important point. एक मिनट, Shilpi ji, please. When the Bihar police asked for the case diary in the Disha Salian case, Shilpi ji, you know what the Mumbai police said? मेरे से गलती से mistake हो गया, case diary delete हो गई. Is that not an incriminating factor?
Yeah. Big
now
point.
Let's come to Sushant Singh Rajput.
Major point.
Now let's come to Sushant Singh Rajput. The post-mortem report of Sushant Singh Rajput itself, even though conducted by a body of 5 doctors, they did not even mention the time of the post-mortem. So now all these errors that have been made, believe me, they are all intentional. They've been made for a purpose to save the penguins. But the ice is melting. The penguins will have to take a dip into the prison. That is very clear, and that is why I say, as a lady, last thing, Arnab, 15 seconds. Shilpi ji, अगर Shilpi ji ना करे भगवान, आपके घर में लेडीज हैं, तौसीफ के घर में लेडीज हैं, किसी के साथ ऐसा हो और वो पुलिस को 100 नंबर पे कॉल करे और पुलिस रेस्क्यू ना करे, would you justify that? would you just... No, ma'am, please hear me out.
And here as a lawyer, do you use those arguments in the court? Come on, be like a lawyer.
I will tell you, sir. Yes, as a lawyer, I tell you. First thing, register an FIR in Sushant Singh Rajput case. Why not register? 100 as a lawyer now. I will speak as a lawyer and you listen to me. I'm telling you, the Bihar police asked for a case diary. Is the Mumbai police not supposed to extend all cooperation? The Supreme Court has transferred the matter to the CBI. Why? Tell me, is it not legal? I'm asking you. The Supreme Court interfering itself is a...
Tausif is responding back. Vikas is also on the debate.
One line.
Gaurav's opened the debate. Gaurav, Mohammed Tausif.
Gaurav bhai, one line.
Yes.
Gaurav bhai, one line.
Please,
One question, please. One question.
Yes, please.
One question, Gaurav bhai. No fights. According to the media, according to you, according to everyone, Maharashtra government failed. There is some conspiracy. We all agree, hands down, we have lost. Tell me something. Now CBI is under your government. CBI comes under the central government of India. Just tell me very quickly, how quickly can you dissolve this case? Because BJP is fighting for Sushant Singh
How do you know the CBI will not investigate homicide? How do you know the CBI will not investigate homicide?
I am just telling.
How do you know that? How are you making that supposition when it's absolutely clear to everyone it's moving towards homicide?
Just let me question. No.
Pradeep Bhandari is also on the debate. We have 2 versus 2. We have Gaurav and Pradeep Bhandari. 1 second. Anuja is also on the debate. What's going on? Please calm down, everyone. I can't take 5 people speaking together. 2 versus 2 is manageable. Yes, please. 2 versus 2 is manageable. 4 versus 4 is not. Calm down. For God's sake, I have a pair of ears. You have more than that?
You have refused my question.
I have not. Your fader is up, for God's sake.
You have refused my question. You have refused my question.
Nobody's refused the question anywhere, but you got.
Just answer me. Just answer me, CBI.
Why are you behaving like a motor mouth?
Tell me how quickly can you do that?
But Pradeep is on.
CBI has already gone after the primary suspect. The CBI has already gone after the primary suspect. The logical investigation is going on.
Okay, on the debate right now. Neelam Krishnamurthy is also on the debate. No, 1 second. Have I been soft? Have I shown mercy? Have I been? 1 second. Tausif, before you continue, can I ask you one thing? Listen to me, yaar. Dinesh Rao is on the debate. This case can only be closed, Dinesh Rao. My view is, since there are so many inconsistencies in the narratives of the key persons which are coming out, and certain people like Rohan Rai have left the city. So today the question really which comes to my mind is this. And can you stop?
Is it a suicide? Is it a homicide? I'm only saying that let the investigating agency conduct the investigation in accordance with law. Let's not jump the gun here.
CBI officials are comprised of fools. They're intelligent officers. CBI team are super cops. They are super investigators and they are far more intelligent than your reporters and studio investigation.
Yeah, you don't need to make comments on my reporters. They are better than you.
Without recording the evidence of Rohan Rai as the last person who had seen her alive.
Okay.
I mean, there are obvious goof-ups. So who is going to question the Mumbai police and why is this matter not coming up? Definitely.
What CBI is doing, this is something which you cannot just put a finger on. So what we have to see is that as one of the person asked the question for CBI, you have to see that in this narcotics also, they had waited for a while to nab Ria because they did not want her to flee by a bail. So this is what is going to happen in CBI too. They cannot just go and arrest someone so that the next they file a bail plea and then they move on. They need hard earned.
No, I think the critical thing here is, I think, may I, for God's sake, because were you a backbencher in class 3? You are behaving like a backbencher, you know. Backbenchers have to be told 5 times by the prefect that you sit down. Thank God you weren't in school with me. Be quiet. Here's my question. I can't. I was never good at this. But can I, Anuja, just a minute. You see, the point I want to make is, in any crime, there is the issue of motive. Financial fraud, ED is looking motive. Drugs angle, NCB is looking motive. Crime, concealment of evidence, CBI is looking at motive. And therefore, for me, it appears, Professor Rao, Dr. Rao, that you need to now bring the key suspects face to face. Question Rashmi Desai and Rohan Rai, right? Question Rohan Rai and Nitesh Rane face to face. Call the builder, the actors, and that one politician from Mumbai face to face. The big guys in the penthouse urging Disha Salian to come. Question Pithani and Ria face to face. Question Sandeep Singh and Ria, because Sandeep Singh and Ria refuse to acknowledge that they know each other. But they are spotted with Suraj Singh at Cooper Hospital, so they should be cross-examined to identify the inconsistencies in their narratives. And you need to question Uday Singh Gauri and Ria, because the justice for Ria the brigade must demand that Sushant's talent manager Uday Singh Gauri spoke to Sushant 5 times in 7 minutes on June 13th. And Ria also spoke to him for 649 seconds, a pretty long call, on the 9th of June. You need to question these people face to face. Dipesh, the friend SSR spoke to about the e-commerce deal, the farmhouse caretaker and Ria, bring them face to face. You get the inconsistencies, the whole case opens up. That's my view. What do you think, Professor Rao?
No, definitely there should be what exactly you suggested. I think the CBI has to act on that. And one important information I would like to give based on the pattern of injuries on Disha's body. Definitely there are 2 sets of injuries which I noticed. One set of injury is due to fall and another set of injuries were before the fall. That means definitely there were injuries before the fall which need to be investigated, and the presence of 2 different sets of injuries, that is the injuries due to fall from height and other injuries, definitely leads to the possible homicide.
So you are saying that she was, from what you're reading of the information is, that she could have been subject to trauma before, Savio, this is big, subject to trauma before fall.
Yes.
Exactly.
You remember in Sunanda's case also there were bruises on the body.
That's what it means.
That's what he means. What Professor Rao has said is very important. That means the SSR case is one of homicide as well, because they're direct link.
Yes, that's what it means.
Yes, possible, because either she has been
very critical.
assaulted or tortured, or that was the reason she might have escaped some assault, and any of these can be added up. But definitely one set of injuries is not due to fall from height, but definitely those were the injuries, maybe what you call a resistance injury or a restraint injury that cannot be ruled out.
See, that's a very important statement. Unfortunately, it's come at the end of this debate, but very important point made there. We have disagreed on occasion on other issues, but look at what Professor Rao has said. Brilliant point. Viewers, Disha is a homicide. 100% Sushant is a homicide. Lot of material coming up. We are tracking the story very closely. The homicide angle has exploded. On the other side tonight, the Pakistan, Gilgit, Baltistan, Baluchistan and India debate in a few minutes.